Actually, I'm going to get to that in a moment. I got another article goes the same way. It's actually the nature show today. You didn't expect that you came in here.
Okay.
Next, beavers shut down the internet for 36 hours in a small Canadian town. In the most Canadian story of the day.
Is that the beaver? He looks very smug.
That's the beaver. And I think him and Otis might be friends. They got a similar look to them.
Yeah.
They got a similar hairstyle.
Very mischievous.
So, yeah, it's a very small town story. Apparently, they chew through inches, 4.5-inch thick protective tube to get down to the cable. They cut the internet to 900 people in Tumbler Ridge, Canada, while they were searching for materials to build their dam. You know, they take that dam building real serious, man. Mm-hmm. Real serious job. And so they'll take whatever feels like it's going to be robust, including man-made materials.
Sure, yeah.
Including your little internet cable right there.
Uh-huh.
So you just be lucky you don't have these guys around your internet cable. They'll be taking it for their dam.
Yeah.
So they had how many people? I guess it was, 900 people had no internet and a few others had no telephone for around 36 hours. They were fiber cables up there. This is a town in northeastern British Columbia, small town population of 2,000.
Oh.
And the cable was actually underground. They chewed through it at multiple points. And that was around 4 a.m. that the outage started. So they were, I guess they were working at night, those beavers.
Yeah, beavers are very hardworking.
Wow.
I listened to a podcast about them. They're very beneficial to the ecosystem.
Nice. Yeah, I never had a problem with a beaver myself.
Yeah, they're friendly for the most part.
Yeah, so anyway, this was a TELUS line that was out, by the way. Obviously, I would hate to be without internet, but if they said to me on the phone, or if like I got in touch with them, or like later on, they're like, "Oh, that outage, yeah, it was the beaver was responsible." I'd kind of be like, "You little guy." I'd be a little less angry.
Sure, yeah.
If it was just the beaver that did it.